Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this 12-piece dinnerware set, and the manufacturer did send this over to us for us to check out. Now, I'm really excited about this because we have like a super cheap dinnerware set that we bought when we first moved into our house, and we are using this to upgrade. But really nice here, really deep bowls here, which I'm excited about. And all of this stuff is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. You're going to get your dinner plate as well. Really nice size dinner plate. Look at that. Really nice. Everything on here is, could you guys a close-up of this? Look how perfect that is. Really nice weights to it. And then you have your salad plates as well. Same design, everything like that. Again, everything is dishwasher and microwave safe. I really like these. I think they look super fantastic. So yeah, we're excited about these. I think you'll be excited about them as well. So go ahead and check them out.